Hello, friend. Welcome to Medical Learning Hub. It's another day with another session of mathematics. There we have got this question. The question says, in a geometric progression, the sum of the second and the third terms is 9, and the seventh term is 8 times the fourth. Find the first term and the common ratio, comma, and the fifth term. Here is the solution. Here's the solution. Solution. First of all, we have to remember for geometric progression, the nth term, that is Gn, is given by G1 R raised to power n minus 1, where R the common ratio, then G1, this is the first term of geometric progression, and the Gn, this is the nth term. It's the nth term of a GP, and the n stands for number of terms. So this is about this formula. So in this equation, we have this information. The second term, the following terms have been mentioned. That is G2. G2 is given by, according to this formula, it will be G1, then R, put here 2 minus 1, so it's R power 1. So we shall have our G2 as that one. Then the third term, this is G3. G3, according to this formula, is G1. Then it times R. Here put 3 minus 1, you get 2. Then what else do we have from this question? The seventh, that is G7. G7, let me put it here. G7 will be equal to G1, then times R, put here 7. 7 minus 1, this is 6. This is 6. What about is 8 times the fourth? G4 will be equal to G1, then R, put here 4, so it will be 4 minus 1, which is R raised to power 3. So from the given question, having written down this information, now what does the question want us to do? The sum of the second, that is G2, and the third, this is G3. This one should give us 9. We saw previously that G2 equals G1 raised to power R, and G3 equals G1 raised to power 2. This one gives us what? Gives us 9. Okay, what else do we have? Let's call this one equation number 1. And the second part says the seventh term. This is G7 equals 8 times the fourth, G4. Okay, so what is G7? G7 is G1 R raised to power 6, and G4 is G1 R raised to power 3. And let's call this one equation number 2. Okay, so which equation should we start with? Because we have two equations with two unknowns, that is G1 and R. Okay, if I'm to start from equation number 1, we shall have two unknowns. Okay, even if we factor out G1 R, here we shall have 1 plus R into bracket, then equals that. That won't work out. What about this one here? Okay, so let's choose equation number 2. Okay, let's choose equation number 2. What can we do from here? Okay, this is G1. R raised to power 6, we said equals 8. G1 R power 3. Okay, let's divide through by G1 R power 3 both sides. G1 R power 3. On the left hand side, G and G cancel out. Then R power 6 minus 3, we shall have R power 3, which gives us this side will remain with 8. So if we want our R, then we have to take the cube root of number 8. And what's the cube root of 8? Remember, the factors of 8, the 2 raised to power 3. So raise again to power 1 over 3. 3 times 1 over 3, this gives us 2. So we get our R equals 2. Okay, so if that's the value for our R, which equation can we use to get the value of G1? The easiest equation. Since we have got the value of R from equation number 2, now let's use that value, R equals 2, in equation number 1, where we shall have G1, our R is 2, then plus G1 again, 2 raised to power 2 to give us 9. This is 2G1 plus 2 raised to power 2, this is 4. 4G1 equals 9. 2 plus 2, this is 6. G1 equals 9. By 6, we get our G1 to be equal to this one, a 3 over 2. We have our R and we have our G1. We are asked to find the fifth term, that is G5. G5. According to the formula, this is G1 R raised to power 4. So this equals our G1 now is 3 over 2. Multiply R is 2 raised to power 4. This gives us 3 over 2. Then multiply by 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So here we have this one by 2, 1 by 2, 8. 8 times 3 gives us 24. So therefore, here's the conclusion. Therefore, the first term is first term is 3 over 2. Then common difference is 2, and the fifth term is 24. So these are our answers. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to see you in the next video.